Hey guys, so today we're taking a closer look at the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-240, Canon's new 24-inch large format printer that's built for speed, precision, and durability in environments where reliability matters. And when I say built for speed, I mean it. This machine is powered by Canon's new L-COA PRO II processor, which makes the TM series about 30% faster than the previous generation. You're looking at speeds of up to 3.2 pages per minute for a 24 by 36 inch sheet, which is seriously impressive considering the scale and detail it handles. For anyone who's ever stood by a wide format printer waiting for large drawings or posters to finish, that speed bump makes a noticeable difference. It's not just about printing faster, it's about reducing downtime and keeping projects moving, especially in environments like construction offices, architecture firms, or design studios where time really is money. Now, performance is only part of the story. The Canon imagePROGRAF TM-240 uses a high-density 6-channel PF06 printhead that delivers a maximum resolution of 2400 by 1200p. With 15,360 nozzles working together to drop 5 picoliter-sized ink droplets, the printer can achieve an incredibly sharp level of detail while keeping mist spray to a minimum. The result? Clean lines, precise text, and smooth gradients that stand out on technical drawings, posters, or signage. This isn't just a printer for producing oversized documents, it's a printer that prioritizes clarity and detail, whether you're working with intricate CAD drawings or vibrant marketing visuals. In practice, that means fewer smudges, less cleanup, and prints that look professional straight out of the machine. When it comes to inks, Canon has made some smart choices here. The TM-240 uses a 5-color ink set, including a newly formulated magenta cartridge that helps boost color vibrancy. What makes this ink system especially practical is that it's both UV and water resistant. Pair that with water-resistant media, and suddenly you've got prints that don't just look good indoors but can also withstand outdoor conditions. That's a big deal for construction sites, field engineers, or anyone creating signage that needs to hold up against rain, sunlight, or job site wear and tear. Think outdoor job site blueprints, store signage, or event posters, applications where durability is just as important as quality. It really extends the use cases beyond the office into real-world, demanding environments. Another standout feature here is consistency. Canon added the ability to calibrate the printer for color quality over time, and even across multiple TM series devices. If you've worked in a multi-printer environment, you know how frustrating it is when colors look different from one printer to the next. The TM-240's calibration system helps maintain consistent output, so a poster printed today will match the one printed 3 months from now or on another device in your network. It's the kind of behind-the-scenes feature that doesn't grab headlines but makes a big difference in professional workflows where color accuracy and predictability matter. Ease of use is also a key focus here. The TM-240 can automatically determine the media type, length, and width, then display that information right on its LCD home screen. That kind of automation cuts down on setup time and mistakes. Combine that with remote control options and the ability to connect via Ethernet, USB, or Wi-Fi, and you've got a printer that fits into a modern office or studio workflow pretty seamlessly. Whether you're printing directly from a workstation, transferring files via USB, or sending jobs over a network, the connectivity is flexible enough to support different workflows without making you jump through hoops. In terms of physical design, the TM-240 is solid but manageable for what it does. At 88.2 pounds and dimensions of 29.4 inches deep, 38.5 inches wide, and 17.2 inches high, it's not something you casually move around, but it's compact enough to fit into smaller office environments that still demand large format printing. Canon went with a clean white finish, which keeps it looking professional and unobtrusive in an office setting. It's not flashy, but it doesn't need to be. It's a tool designed for function first. Now, diving into some of the technical specs, the TM-240 is strictly a print-only device, no scanning or copying built in. The print resolution maxes out at 1200 by 1200p, and while it doesn't support automatic duplex printing, the focus here is on one-sided large format output anyway. The media handling supports up to RC size, which is 18 by 24 inches, with a max paper size of 24 inches wide. It's versatile enough for banner paper, glossy photo paper, high-resolution paper, and plain paper. So whether you're producing architectural drawings, presentation graphics, or promotional posters, the printer can handle it. The sheet capacity maxes out at 1 at a time for cut sheets, But that's normal for this class of printer. It's designed more for roll-fed media than